I'm going to show you the Home tab and all the different buttons and commands that are along the Home tab ribbon. And hopefully you'll be able to get an idea of how you can format your text and format your notes and make them look nice on your page. If I click on my page, as you can see, I'm on the Home tab. Now I can click again and hide it if you want to have a little bit more space to write, but obviously we're going to talk about the different commands, so I'm going to show it. Bold, italicize, and underline, those are pretty standard. I can just do it exactly like you would Microsoft Word. If I click this drop down, I can also change the font type, the color, the size, and then do a strike through or a superscript or a subscript. So that gives you a couple extra options. Now you can also make a bulleted list. You can make a number list, and there's a couple different options for the type of numbered list that you want to make. Let's say I make a numbered list. That's standard. Okay. Now I can do the indent to the right, and it changes the list a little bit. Again, back. So that's an option. Right here is maybe one of the more popular items of OneNote. It's a tag as to do. What it does is it allows you to make a list that you can check off items as you need to. So list. There I have a bunch of items, and let's say that I find them in the grocery store or I pack them in my luggage. I can just check them off or uncheck them as I need. There's also a few more tags in this drop down, like if something's critical, you can mark it as critical on your page, and that's a little bit helpful to reference the note for future use, future reference. Also, you can center your text or right align it as you need. And the center and the right align, those would also work with your pictures as needed for your images on your page. Now, if you want to put an image on your page, you can use the camera or the picture. The picture is going to put a file from your computer. The camera is going to access your device's camera and take a picture and put it on the page. So if I click on camera, it accesses my web page, and I'm hiding right now. I got to point it up to the ceiling so you guys can't see me hanging out here recording this video. So I take a picture. Let's say I don't like it. I can go back. Take it again, just check it off, and then it gets inserted on the page. There's a little bit more advanced options that you can do. You can adjust the lighting a little bit. If you click over here, and again, you can make it a little bit brighter or darker, depending on what you want. So say I make it brighter, then I take the picture. It's what I want, then I hit the check mark. And you can adjust the size of your image on your page as needed. Well, what if you have found a picture on the internet that you like and you saved it to your computer? Well, you can click picture, find it on your computer, double click, and there it is. You can also adjust the size of this. So as you can see, the Home tab has several commands that help you with the formatting and organization and a little bit of image inserting. And it'll be a good place to make your notes and your page look neat and tidy and organized and available for future reference.